So, this is my fourth video. Sabi ko 3 lang gagawin ko, pero nasa fourth video na ako. Medyo favorite ko tong part na to kasi these are my tips on what to do before flying for masters. I think this is a general video na applicable kahit hindi ka sa Italy pupunta. Just basically if you're going abroad, ganyan, para mag-aral. So, what to do before flying or what I did before I went here. First one is I meet my friends. So around March, when I got the confirmation that I passed three of the universities that I applied to, I told my closest friends about it, but told them to keep it a secret until I got my visa. And nakuha ko yung visa ko August na. So March, April, May, June, July, August. They kept that secret for around 6 months. So, na-realize ko na sobrang mapagkakatiwalaan sila. And around May, I had my birthday despedida birthday dinner. And around June, dun ako nag-start mag-meet ng friends, yung small groups lang so that I could get to chika or kwento with them kasi syempre, I'm moving to a different country and at that time, hindi ako sure kailan ba ako makakauwi, kailan ba ako makakapag-hang out with them. Like, I want to just, talk to them, catch up with them, and yeah, I just want to see them before I leave and do another chapter of my life, phase of my life, ganyan. Pero nung June na yun, parang di ko na-realize, sobrang bilis ng panahon at ang hirap mag-schedule as adultings. And to the point na, kasi most of my friends, they work around BGC or Makati. Nakatira ako sa norte ng Quezon City. So I have to go back and forth BGC, One Ayala, or Cubao as the center of the universe. Yan. Commute lang ako nun. Sobrang hirap mag-commute eh. I mean, pag nandun ka na sa Quezon Ave area, like MRT, LRT, okay naman siya. Pero pag pupunta kang BGC, ang hirap talaga. Like, maghihintay ka ng BGC bus. Tapos traffic pa, ang lala ng traffic sa BGC. Grabe talagang papublikong transportasyon sa atin. I wish we really, really have more trains. So, sobrang busy. Some of my friends even went to Quezon, like sa bahay namin sa Quezon. So, sila, staycation, living the province life. Kinuha kami ng buka and such. I'm gonna upload a video about it. Hindi ko pa rin na-upload hanggang ngayon. Most or some of the schedules also got rescheduled kasi I have to get my scuba license. And also, I had my trans-PRK surgery. So, when I got my eye laser surgery, um, I took a break for like a month. So, sa bahay lang ako nun. So, 1 month na yung nawala. I'm just really, really glad that I was able to meet my closest friends bago ako lumipad. And I get to bond with them. It's just nice to talk about your dreams, your aspirations, your plans, and like to be in awe of what my friends have, like the kind of life that they get to do and what are they gonna do for like the next few years. Ayun, na-enjoy ko talaga like makipagkwentuhan sa mga kaibigan ko. Tapos parang sobrang puno-puno kami ng pangarap sa buhay. Ganyan. Nakaka-inspire kasi to hear people like that. And then, second thing, major thing to do was to buy essentials. As early as March, when I got the results, bumili na kami ng maleta. Kasi yung maleta ko ay sira na. Also, I need to big maleta. Hindi ito yung maleta na binibigay dun sa mga ano ha. Alam nyo na. Wala kaming ganun. Wala akong ganun. Like, may isang old maleta sa bahay. Kinuha ko yun. Tapos I bought a similar one. So, para that 2 large luggages yung dala ko. Then, it's hard to, nung nagpa-pack na ako ng things, it's really, really hard to decide which is essential for me as an, overpacker kapag trips. Pero kasi ito, syempre, I'm moving to a different country. Hindi ko sure ano ba yung essential as a tropical girly na pupunta sa isang bansa na may 4 na seasons. Awa na lang talaga. So, first one, clothes. Struggles ko to kasi, struggle, made struggle ko to. Kasi, Yung mga damit ko, syempre, tropical girly, puro mga habanero fits. But, thankfully, meron ako mga naipong damit during our international trips na mga coat, ganyan, puffer jacket, innerwear, thermal clothes. Ayan, sobrang useful siya for me when I moved here. Kasi autumn pa lang nilalamig na ako. Lalo na nung winter. So, napabili pa ako ng isang jacket na makapal talaga. Ayun, the best for me na gamit ko, like a coat, is merino wool coat that I got from Japan. Like, if you're gonna buy a coat, I suggest you buy a wool kasi it keeps you warm. Wow. And then, yun nga, heat tech inner clothes. And ang mahal ng damit dito. I mean, Milan is one of the fashion capitals. Like, gets naman. Everything is branded. Pero, I'm not a branded person. Isa lang po akong mahilig sa damit pero hindi ako bumibili ng mamahaling. Other one is food. For food, thankfully, a lot of Asian stores are here. Like, nakakabili ako dito ng Milo, ketchup, toyo, suka. Thank you kasi naluluto ko ang mga bagay na gusto ko. But, for the trip, for the travel, I bought enough food and snacks kasi wala pa nga akong apartment ng first two weeks. So, di pa ako makapagluto. Puro lang bili ng food. Yan, nabuhay ako sa cup noodles. Pero hinahinay sa cup noodles. Dalawa lang yung dala ko nun. As much as possible, I try to eat healthily. Third one would be shoes. Kasi nga, I have a limit sa baggage. Ang dala ko lang na sapatos ay dalawa. White shoes ko ay nasa bagahe. Tapos, sneakers na Skechers. No, not Skechers. Converse. Converse ko na, yun yung medyo bulky, suot ko na yun sa airport. Iniwan ko na yung boots ko tsaka running shoes kasi sira na yung running shoes ko. So, nagpaplano na talaga ako bumili dito lang bumili. Then yung boots, mabigat kasi yung boots ko. Magpabigat lang ng maleta ko. Like, for context, nung nag impake ako na hindi pa kami nagbawas, kasi 60, 70 ata yung gamit ko. So, we have to remove like 10 to 15 kilos kasi 50 lang yung luggage ko. Then, next one would be toiletries. Ang hirap nito for me kasi, like, as a girly, I have a specific brand ng napkin na ginagamit. So, for alternatives, when I arrive here, nagtanong-tanong ako sa girl na friendies ko here kung ano yung, na Filipino, kung ano yung suggested nila. Ayun, they suggested some good brands, pero I still like the Filipino, there are some Filipino brands that I like to use. So, ayun, if maarte ka like me, buy stocks of it na alam mo maglalast enough and kung yung expiry ba or so, or kung may expiry ba yun, ayun, maglalast until that. Pero if willing ka naman din to explore other brands, go check it here. Skincare products, ang hirap din if may sensitive skin ka. And also shampoo. Pinagsisihan ko na hindi ako nagdala ng shampoo kasi simula bata pa lang ako, hirap na hirap na ako maghanap ng shampoo. Like, pag nag-change ako ng shampoo noon, nagkaka-dandruff talaga ako. TMI. Tapos, ayun, nung bata ako, kinukuto pa, ganyan. I mean, it's a normal stuff you go through nung bata ka. But, when I always go back to Rejoice, Rejoice girly talaga ako. Like, lahat ng wala yung problema ko sa buhay. Eh, nung pumunta ako dito, walang Rejoice eh. So, struggle ko like, to be breakouts talaga ako kapag ibang shampoo yung ginamit ko. May ginamit akong shampoo last time, ang lala ng breakouts ko. So, ngayon, naghahanap pa rin ako. But, if given the chance to go back, magdadala talaga ako ng shampoo. Kasi, not for me talaga. Then, pang ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, clothes, food, shoes. Shoes is the third one. 4 toiletries. 5th, medicine. If maarte kayo sa brand ng medicine, vitamins. Bring vitamins. For me, eye drops. Nagpadala pa nga rin ako dun sa family friend namin nung umuwi sila dito ng eye drops galing Pinas kasi, I had my eye surgery nga. So, sensitive yung eyes ko pag nagda-dry. So, I have to ask them to bring some eye drops for me. Like, pinadala ng magulang ko. Then, paracetamol. Grabe talaga nung nagkasakit ako dito. Halos naubos ko na isang banig ng paracetamol. Pero kalala. Well, I got checked naman. Tapos, ayun, nabinyagan ako, napabili ako ng nebulizer. Grabe, in the year of 2026, bumili ako ng nebulizer. Parang huling gamit ko noong 2009, 10. Grabe, parang welcome to Italia talaga. Anti-allergy medicines. I have allergic rhinitis. In-expose na yung medical history. Ayan, kung may allergic rhinitis kayo, lalo na kapag pollen season, dami-dami lumilipad dyan. Tapos ayun, hiyang-hiyang din kasi talaga sa mga gamot. Then, this is not medicine, but Vicks Vaporub is helpful for me. Kapag mabaho na ang kapaligiran, yun yung kaagapay ko. Tsaka pag masakit ulo ko, like Vicks Vaporub. Then, I always bring thermometer whenever I go on trips. Band-aids, kasi lagi ako sumasabit kung saan. And salon pass pag masakit yung likod mo or kung ano man sumasakit sa kasukasuan mo. Next one would be technology. So, for tech, I have my laptop, of course, as nag-aaral. I don't have iPad. And ang tagal ko na pinag-iisip kung kukuha ba ako ng iPad. Well, una, I have to consider my budget. I don't have extra budget right now. Pero kung like kailangan ko ba talaga siya as a marine sciences student? I still don't know. Nakasurvive ako ng 2 SEM na laptop lang. 2 SEM na lang. So, parang kaya naman. Laptop camera. I love my camera. Because I love going on trips. Just taking photographs of everything. Power bank. Helpful. Check the guidelines ng airlines. Extension wire. Suggested sa akin yung may power surge protection and adapter. I'll show you. This is what I have. Omni. Saying the brand because trusted na to. Trusted na to ng pamilya. I got the 5 outlets. Ano ba tawag dito? Sockets. And ayun, kasi nga marami akong tech stuff na charge. Like phone, power bank. Minsan, ito pa. Electric fan kasi. Minsan, ayoko mag-aircon sometimes dahil nada-dry nga yung mata ko. So I just open the windows. Walang electric fan. So I use this. This is Hakari. Regalo lang to sa nanay ko sa exchange gift nila ng isang Christmas party. Salamat po sa nagregalo sa nanay ko. And then also, adapter. I'm gonna show you the adapter that is very useful. This is the adapter. Then 3-prong. Ganyan. If you're going to Italia, use this one. Kasi sometimes yung dalawahan lang na medyo malayo, parang hindi ko siya nagagamit for most of the saksakan, even outside. So, better this one, yung tatluhan. Give me a moment, isasaksak ko lang ulit to. Okay, I'm back. And then, mini fan. Yeah, bring your Gujudok. Where is it? Where's my mini fan? No. Bring your Gujudok. Kung anumang brand yan. Yeah. Because it's so useful lalo na kapag nasa public transport ka or nasa labas ka. Tapos mainit. Like, ang fun story, one time, pasok ako sa class ko, like, sobrang init na. Some of my classmates are using their fans, like, pamaypay. And I was like, okay, eto na, ang aking fan. Ang cute lang. Like, di siya sobrang uso here. Parang, kasi it's an Asian thing with Asian technology. I don't know if di ko nga alam kung sa Asia ba ito nag-originate, pero uso kasi ito sa Asia. And then, ayun, check din yung mga voltages kung compatible ba sila sa kung saan man kayong bansa pupunta. Kasi baka may differences sa voltages ng mga ginagamit nating appliances sa Pinas and dito. So far, yung mga ginagamit ko naman ay okay naman. And then, charger. Bring your chargers, wires, ganyan. Meron akong isang pouch na pinaglalagyan ng mga tech stuff. Also, for personal stuff, kineme, like kaartihan, headphones, earphones, AirPods, wireless earphones, ganyan. Tripod, well, is it a tech? But yeah, for media stuff. I'm using my tripod here right now. And hair dryer. I have my hair dryer here. This is the hair dryer that I use. It's Simplos. Yeah. Napapalitan ata yung sa dulo nito, pero I only have one. Goods din siya for like travel. Eh, gusto ko rin dinadry yung buhok ko pagkaligo ko. Pero, hindi sumasakit ang aking ulo. Again, yun lang so far for tech. Then lastly, documents. Bring the original if needed. Pero kung hindi naman kailangan, iwan mo na. Tapos, photocopies ng documents. Kung hindi mo dala yung original, bring the photocopy. Or have a scanned copy of all of your documents in a digital format, like Google Drive or sa laptop mo, in case you need to print a copy of it. So, meron din akong last minute na bili na small maleta. Kasi, yung maliit na maleta namin ay sira na pala. So, di namin na-check. So, mga 3 days before, bumili ako ng maliit na maleta. And if you're gonna buy, I think buy something na magfa-fit sa mga airlines here sa Europe. Like, yung mini-measure nila. Kasi, yung maleta ko, hindi ko siya magagamit for my personal trip because the maximum is, may maximum level measurements lang. So, much better if yung dadalhin nyo ay yung sakto dun. Para magamit nyo rin siya pag mag-iikot. Ayun. Make sure to check the guidelines din ng airlines, kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-check-in, ano yung hand carry, and yung weight limits, especially, yan, lalo na sa mga hand carry. For me, ayun nga, na-max ko yung 25 kilos, parang 24 point something yung isa kong maleta, tapos, yeah, pares 24 point something if I remember correctly. I flew with Emirates because they have a student discount. And yung hand carry ko, inano rin nila. Tinimbang din nila. Kasi I have my maleta and my small backpack. Tapos, ayan, hindi ko nga kasi ma-check-in yung camera. I don't check in my camera. Also, yung mga batteries, hindi pwede check-in. Ayan, I think that is all that you must consider before flying. What to do before flying for your masters or going abroad. If you still have more questions, you could DM me. I think some people sent me questions, and I'll try to compile it for the next video, and maybe do a mini Q&A for that, like short video lang. And maybe, I don't know, we will see what is the next video that I'm gonna upload. Ciao.